I-South African Civil Aviation Authority ihlele ingqungquthela kazwelonke yezokundiza yeyinsuku ezimbili e-Emperor's Palace eKempton Park eqale namuhla nezoze iphothule osukwini lwakusasa. Lo mbuthano kohlanganisa izinhlaka ezibalulekile ezemboni ukuze kuxoxiswane ngeyinselelo ezibhekene nomkhakha wezokundiza kanye nokuhlela kabusha indlela yamasu yawo yesikhathi eside. Ikhuluke zithi naphezu kweyinselelo ezikhona, imboni yezokundiza isaqhubeka nokukhula ngamandla futhi ke isewumkhakha onamandla amakhulu esikhathini esizayo.
Igunya lezophapho laseMzantsi Afrika libambe ingqungquthela yesizwe ukuhlanganisa inkokheli ezivela kurhulumente, kushishino nakwiingcali zemfundo ukuze kulungiswe indlela ecwangcisiweyo yezophapho eMzantsi Afrika.
This is the conference that we host on a yearly basis. And it allows the regulator with the industry to come and have discussions on a number of issues, whether we talk about the issues of aviation safety and security in our country, whether we talk about the issues of skills, whether we talk about the advancement in technology, the evolutions that are currently happening in our space, talking about the issues of cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, which of course these are pretty much new evolutions in our space. And we also just look generally around the gaps that exist in our system and have conversations about how do we continue to develop and grow our industry.
Le ngqungquthela ikwagxile ekuqwalaseleni imicelimngeni ejongene necandelo lezophapho.
The one challenge we are facing currently is the impact of the USA-Iran war on jet fuel prices. Something that basically has shown a level of volatility of oil prices that is unprecedented. The second is we would then be looking at solutions on how to mitigate some of those negative effects of the oil pricing. Airlines have already cut ticket pricing. We are assessing at Airports Company the impact on revenue shortfall, reduced number of passengers, and basically just a really problematic environment. Into eyenzakalayo njengamanje isimo se-aviation e-Afrika kuyakutholakala ukuthi umuntu makasuka aya ezweni elithile fanele ayojika e-Europe qala abese uyabuya uza kulelozo kanti izwe leli liseduze. So sisebenza lezonto ke masihlangene kanje sabantu be-aviation ukulungisa indlela, kulungisa ukuthi kuvuleke amathuba amaningi ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuse i-aviation.
Noxa kukho imicelimngeni ekhoyo kwelicandelo kodwa lichazwe njengelo likhulayo nelibonisa ukuba nekamva eliqaqambileyo.
South Africa has become a leader in the continent on aviation safety. Our current rating is 95%, those are preliminary results. Of course, we're still waiting for the final report in 90 days. But we now rank in the region of 7 or 8 top best performing countries globally. And I think that really is a testimony of the leadership foresight of our government, testimony of an industry that is robust, that is committed to ensuring that we do our best to maintain this very good safety posture globally. And this is what we want to maintain going forward. So conferences such as these ones, they remind us why we exist, and they also remind us why we need to continue to do better.
Le ndibano yaminyaka le ixelwe njengaleyo yenza umehluko nezala iziqhamo ezihle. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eKempton Park.